Imagine debating with a digital version of Socrates, learning to paint from a robotic mentor inspired by Monet, or seeing Einstein's theories come to life in virtual reality. This isn't just a fantasy, this is the future of education with generative AI. GenAI is changing how we learn, work, and live. And today, we're diving into what that means for students, teachers, and the future of education. Section 1. What is GenAI, and how is it changing education? Generative AI, or GenAI, is powerful technology that can create everything from text and images to interactive experiences. In education, it's a game changer, allowing students to interact with AI models of historical figures, explore scientific theories in VR, and learn new skills like never before. Section 2. Why we need a dual approach to learning with GenAI. GenAI is more than just a cool tool. Professor Dragan Gasovic from Monash University says we need a dual approach to GenAI. This means students should learn about AI to understand how it works, and also learn with AI as a tool that helps them think deeply, not just give quick answers. When students understand GenAI's strengths and limits, they become smarter, more critical thinkers. GenAI can help students evaluate information and encourage curiosity, so they aren't just relying on technology but using it to grow. Section 3. Building skills for critical thinking and self-reflection. One of the biggest benefits of GenAI in education is that it can help students build critical thinking skills. Students can ask AI questions, debate different ideas, and test their own understanding. This interaction pushes them to think beyond the surface, strengthening their critical thinking and self-reflection. Section 4. Designing AI tools for learning. For GenAI to be useful, it needs to be well designed and researched. Monash University's research group column is working on educational tools that are fun, interactive, and effective. These tools should help students learn in ways that feel natural and engaging, with support from teachers and ethical guidelines from policymakers. Section 5. New assessment methods for a GenAI classroom. With GenAI in classrooms, assessment also needs to change. Traditional tests may not show what students have really learned. Instead, new methods like discussions with AI mentors or hands-on projects can help measure true understanding. Professor Gasovic and his team emphasize that we should focus on actual learning and skills, not just AI-generated answers. Section 6. Supporting teachers with AI tools. Teachers play a huge role in this new learning environment. Dr. Lixiang Yan, a researcher at Monash, says GenAI can reduce teachers' administrative work, allowing them to focus on guiding and mentoring students. To make this work, teachers need training on how to use AI effectively. With the right support, teachers can help students navigate AI tools without increasing their workload. Section 7. Encouraging human-AI interaction, not over-reliance. One challenge is making sure students don't rely too much on AI. Instead, they should see AI as a tool that supports them. Educators are working to help students develop good habits, using GenAI as a partner in learning rather than a substitute for real understanding. Section 8. Ethical considerations for GenAI in education. With AI in education, there are big ethical questions. GenAI collects data, so privacy is a concern. And it's crucial to make sure everyone has access to AI resources. To protect students, policymakers, tech companies, and schools need to work together to make AI safe, fair, and transparent. Section 9. Building AI literacy for teachers and students. As GenAI becomes more common, it's essential that teachers and students understand how it works. AI literacy helps students use GenAI wisely and responsibly, while teachers can support learning without fear of the technology. By improving AI literacy, schools can empower students to make the most of these new tools. Section 10. Global research and GenAI initiatives. Monash University is leading global research to develop GenAI tools that work for everyone. They're even testing these tools in classrooms across the world, helping students from different cultures learn with AI. By taking a global approach, researchers are creating tools that support learning for all students, regardless of background. Closing, the future of GenAI in education. GenAI is set to reshape education, making it more engaging, interactive, and accessible. But we must approach it responsibly. By balancing technology with critical thinking, educators, students, and technologists can create a future where learning has no limits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the future of education.